It's been a long day with 2 back-to-back trials, but you know what? I absolutely love it. This is what I do day in and day out. And as I put it, if you're not fighting, you're not trying. I don't mean by that every case should be tried, but if as an attorney who is allegedly a trial attorney, you are not ready, willing, and able to aggressively go into court any day of the week and throw down with the prosecution on behalf of your client, then I would argue you're not doing your job right. I love fighting. The Marine Corps taught me that, and I can't get rid of it. I love going into court and making the state put their case on. As a criminal defendant, you have to realize that the state has the burden of proof. They have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt each and every element of each and every charge they have levied against you. You don't prove yourself innocent. They have the burden of trying to prove you guilty. And I am happy to fight any day of the week. The other thing that's interesting about my job and about a situation that anyone who's a criminal defendant finds themselves in is that the state also has to provide you with all of the evidence against you. In other words, they have to provide that to your attorney well before your trial, so you know what it is you're fighting going in. Another thing that I look at too is if the plea bargain is the same result as trying the case out, why would I not swing for the fences versus pleading my client guilty when I have a chance of winning? Now, if it's, the death penalty or you walk away, and I'm saying that figuratively, if it's a lot worse if you don't plead to some reasonable charge than if you plead not guilty and have a trial and get convicted of everything, there are times when you seriously consider plea bargains, but I balance those off most of the time. The plea bargain's one thing, fighting it, particularly with more minor charges, isn't going to cause a bigger problem. So why wouldn't you fight? Again, that's what I think of all the time. And I'm ready, willing, and able, happy, and available to go to court any and every day of the week. And if I have to try out 2, 3, 4 cases, I'm happy to. I love it. I still love it. After 30 years, I love fighting in the courtroom. If you need help, you have questions, problems, concerns, I'm here for you any day, every day.